In this video, I'm going to show you how to give GoDaddy Delegate access step by step, so you can safely invite someone to help manage your account without sharing your password. This is really useful if you work with a web designer, a developer, a virtual assistant, or anyone who needs access to your domains or products. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open your account menu where you'll see several account options. From that menu, click Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, look for Delegate Access and open it. This is the section where you can manage who has access to your GoDaddy account. Now click Invite to Access. GoDaddy will ask you for the person's details, so enter their name and their email address carefully. Make sure the email is the one they actually check because that's where the invitation will be sent. After that, choose the access level you want to give them. You'll usually see two main options here. The first is products and domains, which gives them broader access to manage your GoDaddy services. The second is domains only, which is more limited and is a better choice if you just want them to handle your domain names. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your situation and keep security in mind. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. GoDaddy will then send the invitation email to that person automatically. Now the next part happens on their side. The user will need to open the invitation email, click Accept Invitation, and then sign in to their GoDaddy account. If they don't already have one, they may need to create a GoDaddy account first before they can accept the access request. Once they accept, they'll be added as a delegate and will be able to access only the permissions you selected. That means you stay in control and they only get the level of access you approved. This is a much safer way to collaborate than sharing login details, and it makes account management a lot easier. If you ever need to remove that access later, you can come back to the Delegate Access section and update it from your account settings. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to give GoDaddy Delegate access in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.